Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So today I'm going to be telling you guys some bullish news that was just released for Crypto.com and CRO. So Crypto.com just launched a derivatives exchange. This was announced as of today, February 18th, 2021. We can see that the key highlights are 50x BTC USD vanilla perpetual, USDC collateral, no expiry date for your position. And another thing, we can read this right now. We are pleased to announce that Crypto.com derivatives exchange is now live, launching with BTC USD perpetual contract using USDC as margin with leverage of up to 50x. This is really bullish news for CRO price, as we can read this right here that says traders enjoy discounted trading fees based on the amount of CRO they stake on the exchange. So that just gives an extra use case of why you should be staking CRO on the exchange for trading fees. Currently in the United States, we cannot use the exchange, but as you guys know, or if you don't know, Crypto.com is releasing the exchange to the United States this year, 2021. So we should see the exchange in the USA this year. So I'm going to go over to Twitter. I'll actually link this down below in my description so you guys can read about it. So I want to mention this thread that Chris, the CEO of Crypto.com, mentioned on Twitter. So he says, Crypto.com launches derivatives, a thread. Super proud of our team building what is poised to become the fastest derivatives exchange on the market. Completely new, highly scalable architecture, ultra low latency, 2.7M TPS, so you can trade confidently. We now have a super solid foundation to scale volumes to billions, as the platform will be able to handle traffic spikes when market goes nuts. We'll also be able to rapidly add new markets and products. And his last thing is saying, pairing the fastest growing retail app with the fastest derivatives platform is positioning Crypto.com perfectly to capture market share during this bull run. Go give it a spin. We're still in beta and tweaking everything, so your feedback as a user is key. So a few things about this that's really bullish for Crypto.com and CRO and all of that is that one, the fact that it's highly scalable, has a highly scalable architecture, it's ultra low latency, 2.7 MTPS. That all shows there, it's fast and it's going good. The second part is more obvious. So we now have a super solid foundation to scale volumes to billions as a platform will be able to handle traffic. So basically, this post is saying that I don't know if you guys know this or not, but tons of people FOMO into crypto. Apps like Coinbase and even the Crypto.com app has gone down due to so many people flocking into, downloading and signing up for these exchanges, and they're just flowing in. So the fact that they're basically saying that they'll be able to handle traffic spikes when the market goes nuts is that their app will stay open and up, which is really good because that means while Coinbase is down, people are going to be trying to find another place to use or buy while they're still down, and they're going to come over to Crypto.com so easily from that. And another thing is for the third one, the fact that they said your feedback as a user is key at the fact they're still in beta and tweaking everything. That just shows that they listen to the community and they plan on, give your feedback and they'll decide what to do with that and basically listen to the feedback. So I just had to remake this video because I guess my volume wasn't working. Thank you to, I'll put his name in the description. The person just warned me that my video needed to be fixed. And so I just basically had to re-record this whole thing, and I actually have to get going right now. So I'm trying to upload this sooner than later. Otherwise, I'd have to upload it at night today. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this news. Do you find it bullish? Do you think it's just it's just another thing? Or how impactful is it on you? Are you in the US? Are you not? Because if you are, then it probably doesn't matter too much until later this year when the exchange is released to USA users. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.